If you noticed a slight tightness in your chest or felt unusually winded climbing the stairs today, a staple in your pantry could be the hidden culprit. Here are the 3 oils working against your heart health right now. 1. The Silent Inflamer. Have you ever wondered why some fats stay liquid at room temperature while others don't? Research suggests that highly processed soybean oil contains high levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which can trigger silent inflammation in your blood vessels. Switch to extra virgin olive oil for your cold dressings to give your arteries a break. There is another common oil that handles high heat even worse, and you likely use it every Sunday. 2. The Oxidative Trap. Is it possible that the heart-healthy label on your vegetable oil is actually lying to you? When corn or canola oils are heated repeatedly, they can release oxidative compounds that early studies show may damage the delicate lining of your arterial walls. Use avocado oil for high-heat cooking because it stays stable under pressure. If you want to keep receiving these simple swaps to protect your health, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest research. But even healthy fats can become dangerous if they've been sitting in your cupboard too long. 3. The Freshness Factor. Think about how much you rely on that big bottle of oil tucked away near your stove. Exposure to light and heat causes oils to go rancid, creating free radicals that many practitioners recommend avoiding to prevent long-term heart strain. Buy smaller glass bottles and store them in a dark, cool cabinet to ensure every drop stays fresh. You now know how to choose and store the right fats to keep your heart pumping strong. Share this with one person you love to help them protect their heart too. Which of these 3 oils is in your pantry right now? Type the name below. Remember to chat with your doctor before making major dietary changes.